Hey, are you getting back pain after shoulder presses? Or do you see your ribs sticking out like this? The answer is you probably do.
Why?
It's because you're completely flared. Your upper body's an extension, so is your lower body. When you're doing a shoulder press or anything overhead, what you're gonna do is this. You wanna do what we call a double flex, which is where your upper and lower body flex just like that. And you're gonna feel the weight going forward, so you have to pull the weight back that direction as you flex. So you're turning on your rectus right here, taking pressure off of your back, turning this into a full body exercise. This movement's not the easiest movement in the world. I'll go do a shoulder press. Can you do it? Keep it double flex. Let's see it. Yeah! You'll learn more about the double flex position in the MoveU Back in the Core program, as it's covered in great detail. But try this cue right here. It will guarantee to help you out. It will guarantee to help you out.
Damn guaranteed.
It will guarantee to help you out. Fucking Mike.
Fix your shit.